How to identify a song from a YouTube video. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to identify a song from a YouTube video, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. I'm going to use my own video to demonstrate in this process. What you can do to start off with is to scroll down and check the video description and click where it says show more. Then scroll down and check if the song that is in the video is mentioned in here, because quite often it will be. But if the song is not mentioned in the video description, then what you can do is to head into your phone and then go to this Shazam app. If you don't have the Shazam app, then you can easily download it for free on the App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play if you have an Android phone. And then just hold your mobile as close as possible to the video that you're playing and click here. What will happen is that Shazam will listen and see if it can find the song that is in the video. So this is exactly how to identify a song from a YouTube video. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.